2016 is here. We got our first supercell of the season. And it is heading, it's gonna hit Kenosha really hard. Really hard. It's just after 5 o'clock. So I don't know quite where I'm gonna perch myself, but this thing looks ominous. It's not tornado warned, it just says severe thunderstorm warning.
Lithium battery offered.
All right, storm season 2016. We got a really cool vantage point here because we're right behind this. And that is moving exactly northeast at about 50 miles per hour. That's supercell. So this is a severe weather system, severe thunderstorm warning storm from the National Weather Service. It is not tornado warned. Let me emphasize, this is not a tornado warned supercell. But that doesn't mean we couldn't see some rotation. It's kind of hard for me to see if this has any rotation at all, because I need to calm down. Once I calm down, I will gather my senses and see what I'm looking at here, you know? Very, very cool. I mean, for the first supercell of the season here, I'm very impressed with this. I really like it. Really cool. And we should see a rainbow here any minute because the sun is setting. Well, not quite setting. You can see where the sun's at right there. And it is heating up this system. Really heating it up. It's about 85 degrees out. That's pretty hot. It's another supercell. This is totally different than the other one I videotaped. So this is one of many that's going to fly through here. We got the hail, pea-sized hail. Here it comes, right in the heart of the hailstorm. We're right in it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Pea-sized hail, here we come. Oh my God! Wow, man! Oh my God, it's landing in my car. All right, we're gonna get ahead of the hailstorm. It's east of me. Oh my God! Wow! Hey, holy tornado season, folks! The severe weather has arrived. Woo! All right, there's the rainbow I promised you earlier. It has arrived. It's a full rainbow. We'll be on top of the hill in just a minute. This is getting really, really exciting. I mean, my God. Wow, 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 wow. I can actually see the rainbow in the woods. The rainbow's right on top of me. Wow. Alright, this is rainbow number 2. We've seen 3 rainbows in the last half hour. This one is the most magnificent yet. Just incredible. Absolutely incredible. So bright. I mean, you just have to take it all. Oh my God, dude, it's absolutely incredible. Wow, 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 wow. Alright, there's your double rainbow, folks. Libertyville, Illinois, April 25th, year 2016. Life is good, man. Life is good. Absolutely incredible. Wow. 3 rainbows I've ever seen in my entire life. The purple is like actually spitting out of the sides. Wow. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. You know, I'm storm chasing today, and then this is what I see. Oh, this ain't bad. Spring is officially here. We got thunder, we got lightning. Oh my God, just absolutely beautiful. It's so good to hear a thunderclap. It's been such an incredibly active day. Hope you all love the videos, love the double rainbow. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this iPhone 6 this season. That's for sure. Alright, this video is gonna wrap up today's storm chase. I didn't really have to do much driving, it all just came to me, which is really nice. But this is one of the severe thunderstorms moving out over Lake Michigan. I'll do a panel for you. That's facing direct east. That is north. The sun is setting in the west. It's going to be a very pretty sunset. Very, very pretty. And that is facing south. That is perfectly south. So that's supercell right there. Severe thunderstorm is heading out over Lake Michigan. The northern suburbs of Chicago. It produced, God, at least 5 different rainbows. Every time that sun came out, this thing was popping double rainbows. Check out those crystals all the way at the top up there. Very cool spaceship. Typically that means there's a huge differential of temperature. Really cold up there. It was 85 degrees, 82 when these storms rolled in here about an hour ago. Well, signing off, it's going to be a very active week. We got huge tornadoes going to hit Kansas tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, we're going to storm chase again in Illinois. It's going to be very active. So signing off, this has been Kim7, Storm Chaser Extraordinaire. Hope you love my double rainbow video. That was very spiritual. Be safe out there.